So I shared with you that I had spent a significant amount of time being mad and then looking in forums and finding comfort in the pity of others. And I don't want to downgrade the value of that. It helped me a great deal, and sometimes I still revert to being mad, and sometimes I still revert to finding comfort in others because it helps me. And if it helps, use it. I mean, we'd like to choose healthy ways to adapt. We'd like to not, eat a gallon of ice cream or, go out and start having sex with the world or whatever it is we do to drown the pain. But if we need to use a few techniques that aren't the purest and the cleanest for our soul, but it'll help us get through the painful part, let's do it. And then when we're able, then we'll be in a higher place and we can use the best tools, the things that will really benefit our soul. And I wanted to share with you 3 things that happened to me that helped me understand that I wasn't in the place I was meant to be ultimately. 3 times I was in anger and sadness and self-pity, and 3 things happened. Once I was watching a sunset and crying, and an old man stands up next to me, and I watched this old man in the sunset light, and it just filled me with peace. I said, so what if I'm having my drama? Look at this beautiful man smiling in the sunset light. Another time I was doing my sit-ups and I was mad and getting out all of my anger and self-pity, and when I got up, there was a dog, a beautiful black dog with big brown eyes staring at me and licking my face and cuddling up to me, and I jumped and I thought, thank you, what a beautiful soul is here to just comfort me, to love me, to give me 2 seconds of attention, and to bond with me. And that dog stayed by me for a good few minutes, and we cuddled and I hugged him, and it was just a gift for me to say, Gabi, you're not supposed to be in this frequency. And the last one is I was running. I run a lot, and I looked over at a playground. It was full of retarded children, and when I look at the special needs children, I know, and I've heard many times before, that the special angels, the special people God put, the special souls God put in the mentally retarded, and I looked at them, and I looked at their jerky movements, and I looked at their over-enthusiastic facial expressions and their uninhibited joy, and I felt in the presence of angels. And I asked of them, I said, shine your light on me, shine your light on me, shine your light on me, shine your light on me. And it helped me to feel their angel light. And also with the sunset with the old man, I forgot, I also asked the sunset to fill me with peace, like the old man. So you'll find the energy you're supposed to be in that was right for you to get over what you're going through. And I am. I'm in a much better place, and I'm really grateful.